To optimize AWS Amplify GraphQL API, start by understanding the fundamentals of GraphQL and how it integrates with AWS Amplify. AWS Amplify is a development platform that helps you build scalable mobile and web applications. And GraphQL is a query language for APIs that allows for more flexibility and efficiency. The first step in optimizing your AWS Amplify GraphQL API is to define your schema correctly. Your schema should be well structured and only include the necessary fields and types to reduce overhead and improve performance. Use resolvers to handle complex logic and keep your schema simple. Next, implement data caching to reduce the number of requests made to your API. AWS Amplify provides a caching mechanism that can be enabled for your GraphQL API, which stores frequently accessed data in memory to reduce the latency of subsequent requests. Another key aspect of optimizing your AWS Amplify GraphQL API is to implement pagination and limit the amount of data returned in each response. This can be achieved by using pagination arguments in your GraphQL queries such as limit and offset. Additionally, use AWS Amplify built-in analytics and monitoring tools to track performance metrics and identify bottlenecks in your API. This will help you identify areas that need optimization and provide insights into how your API is being used. It is also important to follow best practices such as handling errors correctly and implementing authentication and authorization to ensure that your API is secure and scalable. By following these steps and best practices, you can optimize your AWS Amplify GraphQL API for better performance and scalability. This will help improve the overall user experience of your application and reduce the cost of running your API.